All right. Good morning, guys. Just getting a chance to make a quick video for you, looking at the method for creating our maze. The tape on the mazes, while it was nice and clear on some people's projects, the software called VCarve had some trouble, and it led to little pockets on the inner portions of the tape, and the edges were jagged. And the projects, if we cut them out, if the software were to follow those tape lines that it was able to pick up with the threshold setting, we would have a little sloppy end result. So that's bad on two levels. Aesthetically, you don't want it to be sloppy, and then if it has jagged edges, the ball bearing is going to get chipped and stuck and all kind of bad stuff. So what I want to do is show you two videos. I'll stop the video in between and then post the two videos separately. The first proposition is that in Fusion you draw a full sketch, so a bunch of 2D shapes that you then press pull into the third dimension. And the second option, which is related, is that at a certain point you can draw a rectangular path as a sketch, and then you can at any point build that into 3D, like one at a time, a couple at a time. The two methods are related because on one hand you're drawing a sketch on the ground surface and pulling it up, but once you pull it up you would draw additional components of your maze on the maze surface and push them down. But either way, that's kind of a constructive approach where you're going to add all the parts one by one, each pathway one at a time. The third option is that you draw, and so that's the first video shows a combination of those two methods. The second video basically shows you a method where you draw the full 11 by 11 square in 3D and then remove the parts one section at a time. So that would look, it would look basically like that square is filled in, and then you press that shape all the way through to leave a void, which is where the maze would end up being generated. And then you step your way along, you cut this part out and press it through, cut this part out and press it through. So in any case, you can choose which approach you want to do, but the two methods are shown in the next two videos.